Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. How are you all? Today, I will teach you how to make cream puffs at home. Very easy recipe. First of all, add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water in a pan. Then add 1 cup of melted butter and cook on low heat. Cook it lightly and add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Then add 1 cup of flour, cook it, and stir it with a spoon. Mix well with a spoon until it becomes a soft dough. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Pour the smooth dough into a bowl and cool it. When the dough cools down, mix it all together with beater until like smooth batter. Add 3 eggs to the batter of the cream puffs, but add 1 egg one at a time and mix with beater. Now, add 1 egg and mix with beater. Now add 1 more egg and mix with beater until batter smooth consistency. Total 3 whole eggs, add in cream puffs, dough, last one add and mix it well with beater maximum 5 minutes until smooth batter and looks fluffy and creamy form. Put all the batter in a piping bag and cut the upper side of the piping bag. Now, put butter paper in a baking tray and make cream puffs in a round shape. You also make different shape of cream puffs as your choice, but mostly cream puffs are round shape. Preheat the baking oven first, then bake the cream puffs at 180 degrees for half an hour. Now add 1 cup of whipping cream in a bowl and mix it with beater until thick consistency. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Our whipping cream is ready. Now put the nozzle of the Ron Shap in a piping bag and pour the whipping cream into the piping bag. Now make a hole at the bottom of the cream puffs and fill them with whipping cream. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share, and press the bell icon. Wow, the cream puffs look very creamy and delicious. Now add cream to the dark chocolate and melt the chocolate. Melted chocolate is ready. Now coat the cream puffs with chocolate. Coat all the cream puffs well melted chocolate. Masha Allah! Our delicious cream puffs are ready very easily at home. You also make this delicious and tasty cream puffs, followed by my recipe. If you want to make such a delicious and easy recipe for you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to comment and tell me that you liked my recipe. Thank you, my YouTube family.